I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about what is screed used for. A floor screed is made in a similar way to concrete by mixing cement, water and sharp sand. The screed can then be used to make a smooth, hard-wearing surface on a concrete floor and can also help to level domestic floors before adding the final flooring layer. Screed is also used when underfloor heating systems are installed. The screed's composite and method of laying will vary according to its use. Different screeds have different uses. Composite is the main determining factor when choosing a screed, and there are a number of different types produced for a variety of uses. As a base for flooring, levelling screed. This has no structural effect on the floor, but simply ensures that the final flooring is placed on a level surface. This type of screed is often used for underfloor heating installations. As the final flooring surface, wearing screed, this impacts on the floor structure by providing a good, high quality and strong surface that can be used as a top surface to the floor as a final finish. Bonded screed. This will be used to maximise the bond between the screed and the substrate, bonding directly to that substrate. Unbonded screed. The screed is separated from the substrate by a membrane. It includes things like floating screed, which is laid on top of a layer of thermal or sound insulation. Cement sand screeds can be used for flooring and other forms of construction. Traditional screeds can take a lot of time to dry. Pumpable, free-flowing screed can be used on large areas, but their use can vary according to the manufacturer's instructions, so they must always be followed carefully. They are also known as self-smoothing screeds because they give good quality level surfaces. The screed can be laid onto a base layer or damp-proof membrane, can be reinforced if necessary by adding metal mesh or fibres. It can be mixed on site or brought ready mixed to site. Free-flowing screeds are extremely useful, easy to lay and provide a good level finished surface. Where it is essential to reduce drying times or prevent shrinkage, several additives can be easily added. Floor screed can be used across a variety of sectors, including domestic environments, office environments, commercial and industrial units, retail outlets and schools. I hope this has been helpful in answering the question, what is screed used for? Please get in touch for further information.